Hey guys, so today it's me, Bianca, and today what I'm gonna do is show you some of my slimes. So supposedly I have some weird slimes, but yeah. So what I'm gonna show you, my first one that I usually made, like it was a very disaster, and I felt real bad about this. I need to like take this off. I have I think like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I have 5. So okay, my first one. This is my first slime, and what I usually do with my slime is it's a very beautiful slime. It's very beautiful. Oh my god, it's so sticky. So my slime. Oh my god, the slime is so sticky. So I call this one, it's like very pretty. So I'm call it, I called it pretty pink. Oh, light pink. Oh. Supposedly last time I put rather pink crunchy. We put some oranges in the slime and that's how it got pretty. So yeah. And what I'm gonna do is take it out. Oh my god. Very hard with the camera, carrying the camera. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, guys, I need help. Ow.
I know it has something to do with waves. Like on the ocean? Yes! Wait, no! Well, maybe. Kind of. Well, it was great to figure it out. Luckily, I know
Okay,
where to go for
this slime is like very sticky to me. On it. Oh my gosh. So the next one we're doing is gonna be my favorite one. Sorry, don't do it. Not that favorite. So, got a little hide bit. It's my favorite because little kids can touch it. Since little kids know what slime is, sometimes some of them, not all of them. This one's the most hardest. I can't do a bubble with it because I haven't been touching it. I don't touch my slimes that much. Okay, so I have this. Now I'm just gonna sort of, but not that much. So now I'm just gonna stretch it. It's not that stretchy. So that's because I haven't been touching it for years. Because someone gave this to me in second grade, and I don't remember. So yeah, I think, or it was one of my cousins. Right. Supposedly I don't like slime, but I have a very new one. So yeah. So the next one I'm gonna show you is in here. Hey, what do you think is this in this mystery? I don't even know. My brother made it. So to do this in your slime YouTube channel, so let's see how he made his slime. Okay, guys, look, looks so nice. I don't know why. Very beautiful. So ready? The beautiful is gonna go worse. Let's see. Ooh, actually very watery and good. My god. Very. Okay, touch it. I'm gonna come back right now. Jessica. This is Jessica, my doll. Supposedly, she comes alive and like a little. So yeah. I need my dad's camera. Dude, where did you leave your camera? He has. So guys, don't subscribe to his YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because my dad supposedly has the YouTube channel now. He said I'm getting 4. We'll see about his YouTube channel. Beautiful, look at it. Aw. I think my brother made this, but small slime or little. I don't know. And then we're gonna prank my brother with this slime. I haven't seen it, but I was just peeking on it last night. I really wanted to know. Today, afternoon and maybe later, I might do another video because I want to make slime. And I just want to show some kids how to make slime. But guys, don't do this at home. If your parents get mad and I go to jail, guys, you guys are gonna piss me. You guys could ask me some questions. Oh, what are the ingredients? Okay, so you have to do that at the comments. You can't talk to me like my cell phone is like my number is my dad's number, so yeah. So guys, do you think I should call my evil twin devil? It'll be fine, I think. People have done it. It sounds very creepy as fuck. There's a YouTube channel that says Jason. Subscribe to his YouTube channel. He's getting he's amazing. He does 3 AM challenges. He's with the frog. I don't know what's his name again, but he used to be my favorite. Like, I had teddy bears of him, but I'm like, do I remember him? The one he loves us, and I found out how he got him. Oh, Kermit the Frog. Yeah. So yeah. And I felt so bad. Kermit died. And like they caught I think it's a frog king. Kermit. I guess they're frog. So yeah. Okay. These are my 3 ones I have shown. This one. Very beautiful. This one. The mystery one. And my beautiful. So yeah. Leave it in there. I'm gonna leave it in there. Guys, it's gonna get sticky. Do you guys think? Yeah. So those are all my 3 ones. Both of them are 2 are in there. I think it's gonna be confusing without me. So hopefully now I'm just gonna open this one. So I felt like I was gonna make too much for this one. Just for my cousin Jalissa. I just thought Emma because that's her supposedly not real name, but in my phone I'm trying to send it to her, but dude, it doesn't make sense. And something crazy went on Tuesday. I don't want to explain it. So I was gonna go to my grandma's, but a problem happened, and it's not like my parents broke up, but they were so mad at me. I didn't even. I guess Jessica's like so creepy. Jessica! Okay, that's not how you touch slime. Jessica, are you sure that's how you touch slime? Jessica, are you fine? I think Jessica's supposedly I could talk to her, But like, you guys can't talk to her since she's my imaginary friend. You could see her, but talk to her. Oh my gosh, Jessica, stop! Jessica, stop. I'm grabbing her. Stop, Jessica. I know, so I'm gonna turn you back in. Oh my gosh, guys. She said to watch out at 3 a.m. Jessica, stop scaring me. Stop. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got slime. If you guys like this slime, I might sell some slime. I'm gonna make a big slime, and I might touch and hold the table. I call this an object. It is a thing, but like, guys, it's dark pink, but in the camera, it shows that it's light pink, like. And my hands, what happened? Hands, Jessica's hands are super crazy. Jessica. Oh my gosh, she said, get your face out of me. Okay. Oh my gosh, just stop it, Jessica. If you creep me out at 3 a.m., I am gonna kill you. So we're gonna go to Walmart, and I'm gonna and then we're gonna go get the supplies. After my brother, my dad, my grandpa's brother, and my grandpa are gonna come back for dinner, and yeah. So then just, it's because we're trying to make our playground. Oh my god. I'm having a color for it. It's color blue. I have color blue. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. If you guys want to know how to make slime, I'm going to make slime in a bit. Not like right on this video, because I don't want to. So yeah. So it's very, very beautiful. So what I'm going to do, so guys, the slime is over. So let's put it back. This one that I'm gonna get is very sticky. So we're gonna try to not take it out, all of it, but take it out. So, okay, the green on. I have a green on. It looks like I didn't make it good, but it is. Make it. Ready? I think this one's the most that I made. No, this is not the most. The other one. Oh my gosh, Jessica. Very beautiful. This is gonna be the beautifulest slime. It's so beautiful, right? It looks like, it seems like it wasn't made good. Jessica, stop it. Guys, Jessica's acting too weird. I haven't. Your best friend. Supposedly I didn't buy her, but like someone got it for me, and she's like, she can actually talk. And then we started to be imaginary. I'm like, how can you talk to me? Oh, Elsa, I pranked my cousins. I'm like, hey, so Elsa, dude, she's freaking crazy. Elsa, she moves at 3 a.m. I guess. And last time she tried to choke me, like, dude, and I was crying as fuck. I couldn't. I want to try to call Happy Death Day, but I think it's gonna be worse. I'm gonna die again and again. It's gonna happen again. So I think I'm not cool. I don't want to die again and again and again and again. I don't know how he has that potion, but he has some. Ooh, so beautiful. So beautiful. Okay. Let's see how far it goes. Good, good, good. It, look. Oh, beautiful. Now let's put it down. Let's see what it makes. Yeah. Like, I can't get the camera and show this, guys. I could. I'm not the recorder. My dad is the recorder. They usually record me. So, if you guys want to ask me what life means, like Krista gets for the YouTube, so it means, oh, I can't tell you. If you only tell me the comments below, I will give you a slime. Like, I don't know where to sell it, but you guys are gonna have to come to my house and buy like get the slime for free. I might sell some slime. I don't want the putty, so if you guys want the putty one, you guys have to comment down below, and I'll give you my address, phone number, and one day. And then if you're from Roosevelt, you're easy. You're good. You're good. You're in Pomona. Okay. So you're good. You're good. So yeah. Oh, and then I had a naming, and that was actually some people who subscribed. So like it's like my cousins. So crazy. It's because my brother, he doesn't leave alone my cousin. Oh, what is this? What is this? A tornado? Wait, guys. Oh my god. It's like nasty slime boogers. Guys, you guys hear me? I called it pretty because it was very, very sticky. I know what to call it now. Boogers, germs, slime. If I could have put like fake germs, they weren't they were plastic. Hell yeah, I'll call this it. So I'm calling it dirty slime, cause you can see dirty. Ew, look right there. Now let it go. That was very going close. So yeah. So whoa, go slime. Okay, let's start all over. That's very bad. Let's see where it goes. Dude, Jessica, I'm killing you. Watch out, girl. If you're with the devil, I'm out. I'm gonna take you out and throw you. No, because there's this family, I guess, that has creepy ass stuff. And my girl likes it. I can't see that good. Okay, ready? boring. Jessica, stop. Dude, guys, she's creeping me out as fuck. I'm not showing my face today because something. Because what is because I have lights. I'm just playing. Because actually my lips are chapped and I don't want to show you my new hairstyle. It's creepy. I'm never gonna show my face, but my dad is gonna either. 99 brothers. Okay, I wish I were. I don't know where they are. Jessica, I'm like not even happy about you. You just ruined my YouTube channel. Dude. Jessica's creeping me out. I think I showed my face. I can't even see. I think I did, guys. Isabel, Kayla. A lot of people know. No, some people, one person knows about me. I can't control Jessica. So what we're gonna do is Jessica, stop. Annie, say hi. What you playing? What you playing, girl? What you playing? What you playing? Ooh. What you playing? Boyfriend? Why are you playing boyfriend? Nasty. Why are you playing boyfriend? I said boyfriend. I think it's a boy. Friend. A boy as a friend? No. Sort of. Jessica, stop it. I'm gonna send you back. Wait, see where she came. Let's see. I don't want to put her open. Oh my gosh, dude. I almost fell down. Jessica. Okay, anything? This smells like blood. No, it smells like fresh blood. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Guys, I'm gonna take something's in here. I don't want to cut her open. Jessica, am I gonna have to cut you open? Jessica, stop fading. Jessica's fading. I don't know what the heck's wrong with her. What's wrong with her? Dude. Guys, I think she's just faking. Jessica, I'm gonna send you back. Look at that. Now, how come you move your eyes now? Okay, guys, we are gonna go see Elsa. Let's see if she comes down with Elsa. Elsa's a little. Let me just go see. You're not even here yet. They want to go get some dirt. Elsa. She's very calm. Don't worry. She loves this room. I don't know why. Dude. Stop it. Stop it, Jessica. Okay. This is my real. She was my real best friend. Elsa. Yep, it's Elsa right here. Why are you being the little bad girl? Shut up. But she's telling me. I'm watching you. The YouTubers are watching you. Oh my gosh. Elsa, stay with me. Guys, she said that. She's gonna kill you guys. Hey guys. Let's just start investigating. Jessica is going to turn with Jessica. I don't know what is it on my lips. So, yeah. Also and me are just right here. So yeah. I don't know what to do. What if like she attacks me? I don't know. I'm gonna ask my dad. My room is so messy. I don't think this is what my room is supposed to be. So, I got a bad thing right there. Right there. So supposedly what we're gonna do at 3 a.m. we're gonna call. Jessica doesn't have a phone number, but like, I'm gonna make her have one. Okay, I'm gonna make her one, and I'm gonna see if she calls her evil twin. And I'll leave this phone by her, and if she calls the evil twin, I'm gonna go outside hiding somewhere. I don't know where your evil twin is. You know who? It's like you, but you're a twin. Supposedly. See, the twin's very crazy. So my hair. Cut my hair. People are asking me, why did you cut your hair? Why did you cut your hair? So what should I do, guys? I don't know what to do. Like, also, what should I do? Oh, you should just like calm down. Okay. What about calm down? I don't get it. No, like calm down. Calm down. What you're doing, because I think you're crazy. Back outside. Listen. This is supposedly for power. I'm just funny. Some cars are away. Guys, that's creepy. Do you think you're gonna kill us? No. Don't say that because I get in. Why? Because it's like, oh, my color. Purple, black. Calm down. Stop saying that. Calm down. That's all you can do. Say, dear. Guys, stupid. My lips are so disgusting. Let's go see if she's. Because I don't want to be choking. You're ugly. Dude, are you calm down already? What the heck? Guys, she moved. Dude, I never saw her move. She moved. She was. You better stop it. Okay, Elsa, stand right here. I don't want to be standing. Tell her what she has to say. Ow! Elsa, why aren't you sitting down properly? This. Supposedly, I'm so scared. You were like this. You were like this. What? I don't remember you. Guys. Should I lock her up? You deserve a timeout. Guys, I think Jessica's being so fucking, like, sorry my language, so being so bad. Oh my gosh, Jessica, stop! Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm gonna do another YouTube channel with Jessica and else. Yeah, she like, I don't care. Yeah. Elsa, why do you don't wear your sister's? His is messy. Where is your sister? Oh, she's over there at spring. She's a spring break. But you, Missy, you are not. You are going to doll school. Yeah, this is doll school. And I'm gonna tell your teacher watch out for you. Yeah, my teacher will listen to me. Are you with the devil? That wasn't me. I did not see that. I also didn't see that. Who said that? Oh my gosh, Jessica. You're freaking me out. I think I should open. I don't know. She has something in her. Look. Oh, she's pregnant. Good, she's pregnant. Is it normal? She has to be pregnant. It can't be her butt. Let's see it in the back. Guys, we're gonna check the back. Yeah, that's her butt. But like, what is this? Guys, we're gonna creep her out. I don't know how. Take off her shoes. I like her shoes at least. They're so cute. Sorry. Sorry, she is really pretty. Can't believe. I'm gonna put on your shoes. Guys, we're going to see what happened today. So, so supposedly, so he assaulted her. He walks upstairs. So. Okay, so what we're gonna do, guys, is like with our slime, we can't sell this one, and the mystery one. So we get to sell this one. If you guys talk about me, about my slime, you report it or something, you guys are like, I'm not gonna name this slime, and I will remember who's complaining. Comments down below. Talk to me however you want to. Okay, no one talks to me like that yet. So So guys, so I'm just going to. What the heck is that? I'm gonna wait all my signs. I am going to put her in time. Call timeout. Also, she's gonna be with me. Elsa's gonna be with me. I don't want her to lock. So Elsa, no. You've been acting a little strange. Oh my god. Oh my god. My food. It's a mess. Stay. This is cool. Okay. I'm going to take this to school. Young lady. I want you to go to doll school. Doll school is away from this, so I don't have a card, but doll school is like. No, you have to go to doll school. I can't let you. No. We have Saturday school. What? Sunday school too. Sweet. Not school. Oh my god. Stop. I'm going to sit down. What? I put some snacks in there. You don't get to eat them. If I see you eat them, leave them in there forever and they melt. I will I will tell your teacher that I gave her some snacks. She could eat one. You're still having school. Yep. So I'm going to send you to school and walk there. It's so pissed. It's gonna be. Jessica doesn't even want it. This is so small for me. It's not even heavy. If you want me to give you an ice cream that's not having enough no snacks, I'm being nice. You have to have snacks. Hey. Okay. I'll put it on. So, put it on. I gave you a notepad, everything you need. A pen? Yes. Okay. Dude, stop taking it off. It fits. No. Jessica! You wanna go with Grandma? Okay, stop. So, sorry guys, I'm so sorry, but like, Jessica's right here. She's acting a little too strange, and she's old enough to be not to be strange. Oh my gosh, Mom, I will grab that Backpack, I don't want you to get. Okay, you're taking the camera. Guys, see you guys next time. She's going to school Wednesday.